I started preparing by joining an institute, Lotus Education. The subjects were very precisely taught, so I could practice those topics with the materials that was provided to me. In maths, I gave 2 hours a day, 1 hour for LRDI and an hour for English. I did a mock test on alternate day basis, and I did its analysis after completing the mock test, which is a very crucial part during your studies to identify the topics which you are weak in and you have to prepare for it in the coming days. Finally, the scores got increasing as I practiced more and more mock tests and then I gave my paper. I was trying to take the strategy of ABC. A, the questions which can be solved in like 25-30 seconds. Then B, which I think I know, but it will take time. So like 1.5 minute that I attempted those questions in the second round. And the third was that I don't know, maybe not. So any of the questions which I knew out of them, I attempted and rest I left. And I didn't wait for the sections. Like I continuously did maths, then LR, then English, all the A questions. Then I came back for the B questions and then for the C questions. My most weak area was English. So to improve it, I read newspapers on daily basis, especially the editorial section to increase my vocabulary. Also, reading newspaper helps in the other sections such as reading comprehension and para jumbles because we get to know how the author is trying to framing the paragraph. So after reading like for 14-15 days, my English skills improved with time. I did my schooling during the morning hours. Then I finished my homework and revised for an hour or so for the 12th grade. As I was preparing it from the starting, like from April, so I didn't have to focus much on my 12th studies. After which, like around 5 p.m., I started my entrance exam preparations, which I did till 12 or 1 o'clock in the night. My percentage in the 12th class was 98.6%. I suggest that the preparation for the entrances should start right from the session beginning of class 12 because if we have a year's time we can manage both 12th and entrances equally. Otherwise, when we start our preparations in like late February's of the next year or we start doing crash courses, we do not understand the basic concepts which are required to give the entrance and we simply leave easy questions which should be answered in 10, 20 or 50, 25 seconds in the paper. I think the time given to learning and practicing questions should be in the ratio 1:3. If you give 10 minutes for learning the concept, at least you should practice 30 minutes so that the concept gets registered in your mind and when you see the same question in your paper, you do not tend to lose that what should I do, where should I start from. Your mind sets like that you automatically start writing and within 35 seconds you get the answer. As soon as I entered, after saying good morning, they gave me the topic and told me that you have 30 seconds to prepare and then you have to give an extempore for 2 minutes. The questions which I had prepared were the personal questions like what have you been doing in the past 2 years, what are your achievements and all. So it was a setback that they didn't ask any of it. Then after the extempore, they went to academics. Then they asked the question that what are the topics you are currently seeing as of GK. I put my views on the NBFC which I was working at as an internship. So then they got a bit interested and they left the GK part which I was not certain that I would be able to answer. So that was the plus point which happened in the whole interview. When I was giving my extempore, one teacher stood up and went. So I was quite embarrassed that will I get selected or not. And after 15 minutes, they said that you can go. So major topics which I would say they ask is economics and maths. So prepare the basics of economics like micro and macro very well. The interview will go smoothly. It is not tough to crack the exams, but the level of competition and the applicants are rising every year. But if you practice well, then there is definitely a chance to crack it.